Hi, I'm Dr. Aden in the School of Communication Studies. One of the things that we emphasize in the school is connections through communication. We try to connect our students with one another in the classes that they teach. We try to connect with our students as faculty, and we try to make sure that we stay connected with our alumni once they leave the School of Communication Studies and Ohio University. As part of that commitment to connections, let me tell you about one of the things that I do when I teach communication theory, COMS 2350. This class is the biggest in terms of size among the school's offerings. Typically, we have 80 to 100 students enrolled in this course. That's a big class, but one of the things that I try to do to make that class seem not so big, while building connections at the same time, is teach it in a special classroom that we have in the Schoonover Center. This classroom is not a lecture hall, but instead is a smart classroom that has tables which hold 9 students. Those tables are scattered throughout the classroom, and over 100 students can fit in the room, but you don't feel like you're in a big class because you're sitting with 8 other students. During the class, when we have instruction time, I make sure that we build in time for discussion and problem solving at each of those tables. So over the course of the semester, you get to know 8 people really well. You get to learn with them, you get to think through problems with them, and those become people that you notice and connect with in your classes down the road. I also try to build connections by using undergraduate teaching assistants in the class. Undergraduate teaching assistants are students who have previously taken the course and done well in it, and then they come back to help their fellow students learn. Each undergraduate teaching assistant is connected with 2 tables. Before class, they'll visit with the students at those 2 tables to answer questions that they have about the content, provide additional examples to help them learn about how the theoretical material works in practice, and then outside of class, they will offer review sessions prior to exams and hold office hours in the lobby of Schoonover Center. All of this is designed to help students learn in the classroom and to build connections with one another, not just their peers in the classroom, but their peers who are a year or 2 ahead of them, who can help them learn material that becomes vital to their learning as they proceed through the major. That's just one example of how we attempt to build connections within the school. And to practice what I preach, if you would like to connect with me to ask me questions about the school or communication theory, feel free to reach out at Aden, A-D-E-N, at ohio.edu. I hope to see you in my classroom down the road. Take care.